Hey, is Discord stuck in an annoying login loop where it keeps refreshing or sending you back to the login screen? Yeah, that bug can be super frustrating. In this guide, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix the Discord login loop error in 2026. Let's fix it. First, quickly check if Discord is actually down. Sometimes login loops happen during server outages. Open the Discord status page and make sure everything is operational. If you're using Discord in a browser, try a hard refresh. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus R on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac to force reload the page. Still looping? Clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted session data is one of the most common causes of login loops. Yeah, it happens a lot. If you're on the desktop app, clearing the Discord cache can fix the issue fast. Close Discord completely, press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, then delete the Discord folders inside. Next, temporarily turn off any VPN or proxy you're using. Sometimes Discord flags these connections and keeps you stuck in the login loop. Quick test: try logging in using a different browser or switch networks. If it works there, the issue is likely with your current browser setup or connection. If nothing works, update Discord to the latest version or reinstall the app completely. Yeah, a fresh install often fixes stubborn login bugs, and that's it. One of these fixes should stop the Discord login loop and get you back in. If this guide helped, check out my other quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.